Kifri District Disaster Management Authority pra Saturday din Singrib aro Kyor Bosti de pani para asar hua khandant manukan ke relief fund dishe. Sumi Region GPRN para Sumi Region te thaka manukan korne action plan ekta initiate korishe. Election Commission of India para janaishe ki Lok Sabha chunav laga 6 phase te 8 states or union territories para sob milikina 889 candidates para khara koribo. Aap leader Atishi para Swati Maliwal laga assault mamla to fake term kurishi aru kuishi ki BJP aru Delhi police para bhi itu jani kina thakishe. Hello viewers, अपने आप सबके स्वागत करते हैं NLTV Round Top News Day. मैं आशिक नीला चतामाई आयुवी सवो अजिला को खबर. Kifri District Disaster Management Authority pra Saturday दिन Singrib aro Kyor Bosti de pani pra asar hua khandant manukan ke relief fund dishe. May 8 de pani girigina bishi agriculture crops kan biya hua pra itu relief fund dishe. Relief fund to EAC Kifri Kudazo laga residence de dishe. Sumi Region GPRN pra Sumi Region te thaka manokant korne action plan ekta initiate korishe. Sumi Region de alcohol, drug substances tate sunflower cough syrup, ganja aro banned godka kant transporting aro bikabale pra prohibit korishe. GPRN pra gari kant unregistered nohoile gari kunt valid documents nai itu kant bi mana ase kuikina janaishe. Itu logot etiato breeding season suru hua para hunting ki prohibit kurishe aro dynamo generator explosive devices nishna electrical machines aro poisonous chemicals machli khan ki dhurubole para mana kurishe. Sumi region pra nodi kant pra minerals kant extract kurubole bi mana kurishe. Itu opor aro jankari karne 700-511 16170 contact kule parbo kuikina donation. Lok Jan Shakti Party pra Saturday din Tourist Lodge te press conference law humai janaishe ki tahan ULB chunav te sob ward pra hissa lobole ase. LJB spokesperson or former education minister Itachu pra kushe ki tai kan chunav te party ticket thakile bhi na thakile bhi chunav te hissa lobo.
The LJB Ram Vilas Nagaland chapter, we set for this ULB election. ULB election, it involves the local level. It's a local self-government in the towns. And it has got a lot of interest for each and every individuals. Your water supply, your roads, your footpaths, your drainage system, your electricity. It involves every sphere of your life in the towns. And unless people participate, and unless an individual participates, then you cannot talk about your civil rights. Therefore, LJB has decided to participate in this ULB election, whether with party ticket or without party ticket. But the LJB party loyalist members will participate in this local body election for the colony and for the state activities of urban development activities. We have candidates in the municipal councils. We have candidates in the town councils. So it spreads everywhere. The detail, how much we're contesting, that cannot be said now. But definitely the LJB will participate. I have nothing to comment of their issues there. But as far as LJB as a party, We want that the people should participate because it is for their own welfare. It is not required to open up the past wounds. What has been positive that we see now, let us march ahead. We're yet to identify, but since there is a reservation, so wherever there is a reservation, there has to be a women candidate. So if we have a
Kohima Hotel Jaffa Day Saturday during Global Accessibility Awareness Day Manaishi. It is the Nagaland State Disability Forum ki State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Office pra Modok Dikina Ayojan Kurishe. PWD State Commissioner Detono Nakropra Accessibility in the Church laga team te kotha kurishe. Nakropra persons with disabilities kan alag chakade challenges kan samna kura ke highlight kurishe. Idulogot Nakropra sign languages kan laga khas upor highlight kurishe. Program pra religious spaces te accessibility laga significance aro persons with disabilities kan ke inclusive global ke highlight kurishe.
You have to think about the members of the congregation that who are unable to see the way that we see. Then we come to the deaf community, sign language interpreters. And I think this is one thing that is one very important issue that most of us we do not even think about, how to reach the deaf community. So sign language is the language of the deaf community. We have a sign language interpreter today, so I hope it creates some awareness also of how sign language is used. So sign language is the language of the deaf community. Finding a way to share the gospel in their native language, that is sign language, is the best way for the church to reach this community. Sponsor some members in your congregation to train as sign language interpretation, in sign language interpretation, to become sign language interpreters. These are suggestions that I want to put out to the church today. Now, a study in the US, in the United States, found that 97% of deaf people there are unchurched. The scenario here in our state would be no different. We have not had any kind of study that is done. But if 90% of deaf people in a place like the United States, which is so advanced, their sign language is also one of the most advanced American sign language. Advanced American sign languages are there. But even if in a place like
Kohima this Saturday dint Youths for Sustainable Development Goals program ektalushi idudu ARC Foundation aro SDGCC Planning and Transformation Department aro UNDP laga modokte ayojan kurishe. ARC Foundation's President Keto Angami Kushi ki itu laga objective to Jawant Manokant Nimite awareness dibulase.
We are organizing this program today as in Youth for the Sustainable Development Goals. Now why we are organizing this is because the role of the youth is more significant as before. We all know that the Sustainable Development Goal is to be achieved by 2030. However, the way the trend is moving forward, the progression that are being made relatively seems to be rather slow, or rather I believe that the role of youth is felt much more important, and that the youth needs to get more engaged, involved, and start contributing as far as the collective response to this achieving this sustainable development goal in our state, or it can be nationally, internationally also, but even our contribution of the youth within our community is felt important. And therefore, with that objective in mind, we have come together to host this program for today. Literally, I would say that now the involvement is not there, but I would also rather attribute this no contribution to lack of empowerment. The Sustainable Development Goal theme also talks about leave no one behind, and it therefore talks about bring in both the gender, the male and the female. But more significantly, within this gender perspective, the youth response as far as SDGs is concerned will be more meaningful. The point of context where we stand as of today is that we say that youths are the leaders of tomorrow. But if we don't collectively continue to respond towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, what bright future do we have? It has been immense. How we did was we sent out an invitation for people to express their own interest voluntarily, and they themselves registered and they themselves came forward. Now this program also is of course through the kind support of the Planning and Transformation, the Sustainable Development Goals Coordination Cell under the Government of Nagaland, and which is supported by the United Nations Development Program. So we are able to coordinate this program and work out the agenda in such a way that it will be a whole lot of meaningful.
Kohima PHQ conference held this Saturday दिन consultative meeting एकता लुशी Cybercrime Awareness Director General of Police Rupin Sharma pra fraud, extortion, hacking of accounts or blackmailing count upor highlight kurishe. Meeting to Vikram M. Khalat pra chair kurishe.
Mobile phone call to you and some lady or someone will pose with a new photograph and then take a screenshot or record this and say, "Tumi menega kurishe paisa." This is a very common method. I mean, I know a lot of friends in Nagaland who have approached me that someone has been trapped like this. But one or two of my own friends, I will not take names. Okay. My request, my simple request to anyone who has sort of because of a mistake got into this, watched a video or something like that. Anyone asks you for money, please do not pay. Report to the police. Report to us. If you think that reporting to the Thana will mean that your name will be out in the media or something, and your name will be, your image or your reputation will be damaged, please start reporting to the senior officers, the SPs, and also that if we know how big the problem is, we will work on a system on how the identity of the complainant can be protected. Okay. Why I am saying is don't pay. If you pay once, you will ask for 5,000 rupees. Next time you will say 5,000 t-shirt, 10,000 TV, now TV. You will get trapped. Every time you will scale up the amount of extortion that is taking place. You would have paid say 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh by the end of say 6 months, 7 months, and then you don't know what to do. Paisa bhi jaise, your reputation will be at stake. Okay, your reputation will always be at stake in these cases, but you can save that money. Okay. So please report cases of extortion, to the police immediately as it happens. You just have to report the phone number and what has happened with the transaction with your names. If you think
MLA Dr. Sukhato A. Simapra Saturday dint Pugabutode CC Road or Agri Link Rasta inaugurate kurishe. Itu inauguration day ADC Pugato Tia Merinchak SDO CR Daniel Angami SDPO Hankyum Wong EAC Krithozo Fokri or Alak officials can be Shamil Takisha. Election Commission of India press Saturday दिन जनाइशे की लोकसभा चुनाव लगा 6 phase day. 8 states aro union territories pra sob मिलने के न 889 candidates pra खड़ा करूबो. इधर जम्मू और कश्मीर अनंतनाग राजौरी parliamentary constituency pra 20 candidates ase. Election Commission हिसाब 7 states aro UT stay 57 parliamentary constituency करने 1,978 nomination file kurishe. Phase 6 Uttar Pradesh day Uttar Pradesh para 14 parliamentary constituencies para maximum 470 nomination forms থাকিছে আৰু Haryana laga 10টা parliamentary constituencies te 370 nominations থাকিছে polled body para কৈছে ki phase 6 te parliamentary constituency para contesting candidates laga average number to 15 ase কৈছে Delhi Minister aro Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi pra Swati Maliwal laga assault mamla tu fact temp kurishi aro kuishi ki BJP aro Delhi Police pra itu jani kina thaka pra Bibaf Kumar ki giraftar kurishe BJP kant pra itu case ke dismiss na kurobole pura kushish kuri ase kushe
विभव कुमार जी जो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के पीए हैं उनको स्वाति मालीवाल जी के फर्जी आरोप के जो मुकदमा है उसके लिए पुलिस सिविल लाइंस थाने क्वेश्चनिंग के लिए लेके गई थी। जब से पुलिस विभव कुमार जी को लेके गई तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली पुलिस सोर्सेज के माध्यम से अलग अलग टीवी चैनल पे बता रहे थे कि विभव कुमार जी गिरफ्तार होने वाले हैं, विभव कुमार जी गिरफ्तार हो गए, विभव कुमार जी का मेडिकल हो रहा है, विभव कुमार जी को 30,000 कोर्ट लेके जाया जा रहा है। इन सारी खबरों से ये बिल्कुल साफ हो गया कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का और उनके राजनीतिक हथियार दिल्ली पुलिस का इरादा है कि विभव कुमार जी को गिरफ्तार करना है। इसी वजह से हम लोगों ने एक एंटिसिपेटरी बेल की एप्लीकेशन 30,000 कोर्ट में लगाई। कोर्ट ने इस मैटर को संज्ञान में लिया और 3:55 पर एंटिसिपेटरी बेल की हियरिंग शुरू हो गई। विभव कुमार जी के वकील ने अपनी बहस रखी और जब दिल्ली पुलिस को और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को यह समझ में आ गया कि उनका केस कमजोर है, ये साफ साफ दिख रहा है कि केस फर्जी है, ये स्वाति मालीवाल जी के वीडियोस के माध्यम से दिख रहा है कि जो कुछ उन्होंने शिकायत में डाला है वो फर्जी है, तो फिर अपना केस डिसमिस होने से रोकने के लिए, विभव कुमार जी को एंटिसिपेटरी बेल मिलने से रोकने के लिए 4:15 पर विभव कुमार जी को सिविल लाइंस थाने में गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया। लेकिन बेल की हियरिंग, एंटिसिपेटरी बेल की हियरिंग शुरू होने के बाद ये गिरफ्तारी दिखा देती है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को भी पता है कि उनका केस फर्जी है, उनका केस कमज़ोर है और वो किसी भी कोर्ट के सामने टिकने वाला नहीं है। देखिए, ये तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का तमाशा चल ही रहा है। इस पूरे तमाशे का एक ही मकसद है, आम आदमी पार्टी को टारगेट करना, अरविंद केजरीवाल के चुनाव प्रचार को डिस्टर्ब करना। जब से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की जमानत हुई है और वो जेल से बाहर आए हैं, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का 20 दिन भी जेल से बाहर आना भारतीय जनता पार्टी को पच नहीं रहा है। इसीलिए इस षड्यंत्र को रचा गया, इसीलिए स्वाति मालीवाल जी को इस षड्यंत्र का मोहरा बनाया गया। मकसद तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को टारगेट करना था, पर जब उन्हें टारगेट नहीं कर पाए तो उनके पीए विभव
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal pra Saturday din Rajya Sabha MP laga naam naluikina BJP sukar ke hamla kurishi Kejriwal kushi ki BJP pra Aam Aadmi Party laga manukan ke hi hamla kuri ase aap laga manukan ke giraftar kuri ase koikina Kejriwal pra kushi BJP pra Kejriwal Manish Sisodia former minister Satyendra Jain Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh aro Idya Tai Kant pra personal assistant ki giraftar kurishe koikina Kejriwal pra kushe itu logot Kejriwal pra kushe ki BJP pra Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadda ke bi giraftar kuribole bhabi ase aro Delhi ministers Sabra Bharwaj aro Atishi Tai Khan laga target ase koikina claim kurishe Delhi Police पर Saturday दिन बिबाफ कुमार की allegedly आप MP स्वाति मालीवाल के दिल्ली मिनिस्टर चीफ मिनिस्टर अरविंद केजरीवाल लगा कोर्टे असॉल्ट करा निमित्ते गिरफ्तार करिছে Bibhav Kumar laga lawyer Kiran Sharma pra kuishe ki Taikhand police pra eku khobor pa nai hoilibi Taikhand pra Chanbin ti corporate korole janaishe kuishe. Swati Maliwal pra Arvind Kejriwal laga personal assistant Bibhav Kumar ki accused kurikina ase tai ke assault kura upor Kumar to chief minister laga khor pra giraftar kurishe. Former Vice President Muhammad Hamid Ansari, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, former Deputy Prime Minister L.K. Advani and former Union Minister Dr. Murli Manohar Joshi Kant pra home voting facility pra taikan laga votes dishe kuikina janaishe. Office of the Chief Electoral Officer pra Thursday din pra home voting facility elderly voters are a person with disabilities kan nimite suru kurishi aru itudo May 24 tak thakibo. Delhi Minister Aro Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi pra Saturday din kushi ki Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal pra Bibhav Kumar khilaf FIR darj kura to ruling BJP pra kwa opor itu kamt kuriase kuikina claim kurishe. Aap leader kushi ki former DCW chief to Pound Nishna Chuliase Atishi kushi ki opposition leaders kan ke blackmail kurule Enforcement Directorate Central Bureau of Investigation, Anti-Corruption Bureau, Income Tax Department, Economic Offences Wing Khan laga, Modok para BJP te joint krobole kushish kurak nishna, Swati case tebi itu formula chulai se kushe. Swati Maliwal khilaf Anti-Corruption Bureau case aro FIR dhaka para probe pra itu laga advantage lukina Swati ki itu conspiracy banai dibole kushish aro taiki पॉन्ट निशना चुला से कुछ
होगा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी किस तरह से साजिश करती है। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का तौर तरीका है कि वो अलग अलग पार्टी के अलग अलग नेताओं पे कभी सीबीआई से, कभी ईडी से, कभी एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो से, कभी दिल्ली पुलिस से केस करती, उनको जेल भेजने की धमकी देती है और उस धमकी के आधार पर फिर विपक्ष की पार्टी के नेताओं को ब्लैकमेल करती है। अगर आप स्वाति मालीवाल जी वाला इंसिडेंट भी देखिए, स्वाति मालीवाल जी पर एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो का एक रिक्रूटमेंट स्कैम का केस चल रहा है कि डीसीडब्ल्यू में गलत तरीके से कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल एम्प्लॉयज़ को रिक्रूट किया गया। ये केस पिछले कई सालों से चल रहा है, उन पर एफआईआर हुई है, अब ये मामला ख़त्म होने के करीब आ रहा है। तो इसलिए ऐसा लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ये जो फॉर्मूला है कि अलग अलग नेताओं पे केस करना, उसी फॉर्मूले को स्वाति मालीवाल जी पर इस्तेमाल किया गया होगा। उन पर जो एसीबी का केस चल रहा है, जो इलीगल रिक्रूटमेंट डीसीडब्ल्यू में केस चल रहा है, उस पर धमकी देके स्वाति मालीवाल जी से शायद ये करवाया गया है। दूसरी बात, हमने तो ये भी कहा है कि स्वाति मालीवाल जी के कॉल रिकॉर्ड्स की जांच होनी चाहिए। हमें ये विश्वसनीय सूत्रों से पता चला है।
Kohima Municipal Council Bitor Ward Number 1 para Kilhosinyo Kromo para Saturday din tai laga candidature allowed kurishi Kromo laga main focus to pani laga scarcity, public health centers or education accessibility kan tai laga focus ase kushe. Kohima laga 19 wards para Choita ward to women reservation te reserved ase.
Lucinho Kromo ase and I'm 30 years old. Aro muido itu ward de mohana parents to Kohima village wara migrate kuine yete ayado. It's more than 50 years and mui yete wara jonom hoa manu ase. Aro itu politics de do mui ki bhavana kuine yete ULB de interest wishe kole do power na thakile ahine community de development anyo na pare ina kuine itu han dikhi na ishe itu ne ekdin since last year wa ULB thakiwo kuine aru problem ulai ina thaki ne last year general Karnevi Mohala Ward to reserve no any general Taishe. It's the time I decided I'll go and compete with men as well in general. Itu babine mugiwi week na babine muge mula colony khan ke bhi muge uthai dibi mula piche thakibi muge support kurine mula colony karne kam kurle muge support kuri kuine mu itu time dibi decide kurine thakishe mohan aji moi kwa nisna pani karne bishi problem face kure thakya manu khan do every day pani kini thakibo pare holi ina noha khan do pani karne bishi duk ase aro second do mohala primary health center 2011 census de muikwa nisna 7000 nisna population thakishile itia do 2024 hoise population ni itula opor ase aro itu nimine mohan kiba ekta bimar chutu ekta vaccination lo kulibi duksuk manu khando taxi loigine jawle bi bishi duk thake aro osorde na thake do bishi inagune negligence bishi ai jai aro maiki khanwi saishule mui reservation wa jawle thake do maiki khana problems khando mui ine severely sala hisab de mohala maiki biological problems khanwi bishi thake itula opore maternity itu khana problem bishi aye itu arne ekdin do itu problems khan solve kurine ekta chutu sub center holiwi aine mohala osor community de thakile mohala ward ki bi bishi help grow kuine babia aro accessibility to education since I also come from an educational background I also give my focus to education as well mulana
तो व्यूअर्स आज खाने इमानी खबर से अपने सब सही देखिए नागलैंड टीवी